Factorize the following. Example number 1, bracket x minus x square minus x bracket square minus 18 bracket x square minus x plus 12. Now see this x square minus x and this x square minus x both are same. Both are same. Okay, therefore we write here let x square minus x is equal to m. Okay, now instead of this x square minus x, we put here m. Therefore, our equation becomes m square minus 8 instead of this m plus 12. Did you understand? Now this plus 12 and this m square we take product, means product of extreme terms we take here. Now we split this 12 in such a way that product should be plus 12 and addition or subtraction should be minus 8. Minus 8. Now see here, number of splittings are here. 12 ones are 12, no, but 12 minus 1, 12 minus 1, 11, but this is minus 8. Did you understand? Then 2 6, okay, 2 into 6. See here, now we want positive plus product of this 2, means product of signs should be plus and addition or subtraction should be minus 8. Now always we give this sign to bigger number, and according to this, because this is plus, no, we want product positive plus, so minus into minus plus, and minus 6 plus minus 2 means minus 8. Now we distribute m square here, m. Did you understand? Very simple method. Now see this, m square, instead of this we write minus 6m minus 2m plus 12. Now we take common here. Numbers are not common. There here only variable that is common. See here, minimum index of m is 1, so we take that common. M in bracket. Out of this m square we take m outside or common, then what is left? M into m square. We have taken this m outside, then what is left? Minus 6. M in bracket, m minus 6. Every time we write same bracket. Here we write same bracket, m minus 6. Did you understand? Now see, this is m, but here minus 2m. Out of this, m is inside. Then what is left? Very simple method. Use these tricks every time. Now here bracket same, so we take again common m minus 6. When we take common, then what is left? M minus 2 right here. Did you understand? Now value of m is x square minus x. We put here again. See this, instead of m we write x square minus x. Did you understand? Here also same, we put x square minus x minus 2. Now we solve these two examples again. Okay, see this, minus 6 and this x square. Now 3 2s, this sign to bigger, according to this we give here plus or minus. plus or minus. Here plus. Minus into plus. Minus 3 plus 2 means 1. And we distribute x square. Okay. Now same way, instead of minus x, we put here these two values. Therefore, series x square minus 3x, instead of this minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Did you understand? Now here again common x, therefore x minus 3. Same bracket I told you right here. Now this x and this is plus 2x. Out of this plus 2x we have written here x. What is left? Plus 2. Did you understand? Therefore, series x minus 3 common. Then what is left? X plus 2. Did you understand? Same way we solve this. Product of extreme two terms. Okay. Then here only one splitting. 2 ones are 2. Give here x, here x. This sign to bigger. According to this, we write plus or minus. Here now plus. Minus into plus. 2 into 1, 2. And minus 2x plus 1x means minus 1x. Put there x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. We take here again common x, therefore x bracket x minus 2. See, x into x, x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x. I told you many times, write same bracket here. Now plus 1x, here alone x. So what is left? Plus 1. Now we take this common. No? Then what is left? These are the factors of this expression. 4 factors are there.